AC power adapter DC26V1000MA Fascia gun vacuum cleaner 26V 1000MA DC regulated power cord 5.5 2.1 mm. Product parameters. Input voltage, AC 100-240V 50-60 Hz, worldwide. Input AC interface, EU plug US plug. Output voltage, DC, 26V. Output current, 1A. Output voltage accuracy plus or minus 0.5%, no load. Power supply polarity, inside positive outside negative, inside, plus, outside. DC cable length, 1 meter. DC interface, 5.5 2.1 mm. Color, black. Condition, brand new authentic. Wide input range and high voltage accuracy. Applicable, Fascia gun vacuum cleaner monitoring SE.